How do you protect your personal information online?
I protect my personal information by not sharing it on public platforms.
How do you create a strong password?
I create a strong password using letters, numbers, and special symbols.
How do you stay safe from online scams?
I stay safe by avoiding links from unknown sources and suspicious emails.
How do you keep your social media accounts secure?
I keep my accounts secure by enabling two-step verification.
How do you recognize a fake website?
I recognize a fake website by checking the URL and looking for security signs like HTTPS.
How does he avoid sharing personal photos publicly?
He avoids sharing personal photos publicly to protect his privacy.
How does she stay safe while shopping online?
She stays safe by using trusted websites and secure payment methods.
How do they protect their devices from viruses?
They protect their devices by installing antivirus software and keeping it updated.
How does it help to update your phone regularly?
It helps to update your phone regularly to fix security bugs and improve safety.
How does a student avoid online bullying?
A student avoids online bullying by blocking rude users and reporting them.
How do children learn about online safety?
Children learn about online safety from parents, teachers, and awareness programs.
How does a teacher guide students about safe internet use?
A teacher guides students by explaining the dangers of sharing personal data online.
How do parents monitor their kids' online activity?
Parents monitor their kids by using parental control apps and regular discussions.
How do friends protect each other online?
Friends protect each other by warning about fake profiles and scams.
How do companies secure their data online?
Companies secure their data using firewalls and encrypted storage systems.
How do hackers trick people online?
Hackers trick people by sending fake emails and creating scam websites.
How does social media affect online safety?
Social media affects safety by exposing personal information if privacy settings are weak.
How does a strong password protect your account?
A strong password protects your account from hackers and unauthorized access.
How do you avoid clicking on harmful links?
I avoid clicking harmful links by checking the sender's details first.
How do users report cybercrime?
Users report cybercrime by contacting cyber police or online complaint centers.
How does a VPN help in online safety?
A VPN hides your IP address and keeps your online activities private.
How does online gaming affect safety?
Online gaming can affect safety if players share personal details with strangers.
How do teenagers protect themselves from cyberbullying?
Teenagers protect themselves by ignoring bullies and seeking help from adults.
How do employees keep company data safe?
Employees keep data safe by using strong passwords and following security rules.
How do travelers use the internet safely in public places?
Travelers use it safely by avoiding public Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks.
How does software updating help your device?
Software updating helps by fixing security issues and improving performance.
How does he protect his bank information online?
He protects his bank information by using secure banking apps and avoiding shared devices.
How does she identify phishing messages?
She identifies phishing messages by checking spelling mistakes and suspicious links.
How do websites protect user data?
Websites protect data using encryption and secure servers.
How does a business prevent cyber attacks?
A business prevents cyber attacks by training staff and using advanced firewalls.
How do bloggers stay safe while sharing content?
Bloggers stay safe by not revealing personal details or exact locations.
How does online shopping become risky?
Online shopping becomes risky when done on fake or unverified websites.
How do smart devices impact privacy?
Smart devices impact privacy by collecting personal data through apps.
How do users know if a site is secure?
Users know a site is secure when it starts with HTTPS and shows a lock symbol.
How does cloud storage keep files safe?
Cloud storage keeps files safe using encryption and password protection.
How do strangers misuse personal photos online?
Strangers misuse photos by editing or sharing them without permission.
How does online fraud affect people?
Online fraud causes financial loss and emotional stress.
How do schools teach cyber safety?
Schools teach cyber safety through workshops, classes, and awareness posters.
How does he use two-factor authentication?
He uses two-factor authentication to add an extra security layer to his accounts.
How does she keep her passwords organized?
She keeps her passwords organized using a secure password manager.
How do organizations recover from hacking attacks?
Organizations recover by restoring backups and improving their security systems.
How do people get tricked by fake job offers?
People get tricked by fake offers that ask for personal or bank details.
How does it help to use privacy settings?
It helps by controlling who can see your posts and information.
How do people protect their Wi-Fi networks?
People protect Wi-Fi by setting strong passwords and hiding network names.
How does a fake profile harm users?
A fake profile harms users by spreading lies or stealing information.
How do parents teach children about online strangers?
Parents teach children by explaining the dangers of chatting with unknown people.
How do schools protect students' online data?
Schools protect data by using secure systems and limiting access.
How do celebrities handle online privacy issues?
Celebrities handle privacy issues by keeping personal life details offline.
How does she report a cyberbully?
She reports a cyberbully by using the report option on the platform.
How does he prevent malware on his laptop?
He prevents malware by avoiding unsafe downloads and updating antivirus software.
How do apps collect user information?
Apps collect information through permissions and background tracking.
How do hackers steal passwords?
Hackers steal passwords using fake websites or malicious software.
How does encryption help in data protection?
Encryption helps by converting data into unreadable code for outsiders.
How do fake messages spread on social media?
Fake messages spread when people share them without checking facts.
How do online scams target elderly people?
Online scams target them because they may not recognize digital fraud.
How does a secure browser help online safety?
A secure browser blocks harmful websites and prevents data leaks.
How do employees recognize phishing emails?
Employees recognize them by checking the sender's address and unusual links.
How do users delete unsafe apps?
Users delete unsafe apps through phone settings or antivirus alerts.
How does a cyber attack damage companies?
A cyber attack damages companies by stealing data and ruining trust.
How do online learners protect their accounts?
Online learners protect accounts by using strong passwords and logging out after use.